The early bird catches the worm. Because of that, I eat my bread. No. Because the Rocky does not run without food. Did I talk about myself in the third person? Yes, he does. Over there is my first goal. On the other side, so Olpererhütte. And after that, we're walking farther to Stein. I guess the translation for this small area is stone. Funny to see. This is actually my ski area where I'm also snowboarding, and it's funny to see how it looks like without all the snow and ice and a lot of drunk ski people. I did it to the Spannagelhaus, which is behind me. I can hardly breathe and my legs are burning. And because of that, I ate my second bread. The next stop is over there. Riesenberg Charter, which is 2,900 meters high. So again, 400 vertical meters up. I'm so glad. Nope. Over the bridge! You shall not escape! Again on ice. It's cold and ice. Oh yeah, I don't know the text so well. Yes, I think not this. I guess over this is a Riesenberg Charter. The ice was a glacier ice. Should be more than 1,000 years old. It's older than me and you. And you, and you, and you. I need a break. I guess behind me, this should be the Tuxer glacier, which is, more than 1,000 years old. But as you can see, there's not much left. Yeah, pity. Yeah. There's a Spannagelhaus where I started 1 hour ago. If you don't know this area, I guess you were lost. I mean, the Friesenschartberg is very hard to find. But thank you Austria, they put all the red markings over there onto the Friesenberg Charter. Otherwise you have just bare rock, and you wouldn't see anything. So thank you Austria. Welcome to the Friesenstadt. Friesenberg-Scharte. Damn it. I never ever had find this way without all these marks. Grüß Gott. And Rocky, how was your vacation so far? I almost died, but yeah, quite cool. And hey, look at this. Fuck. My guidebook told me, yeah, on one point you have to turn right. I guess over there, but there wasn't a way, so I said, okay, go all the way down, because I thought, okay, it's a lake, then go on the right one. Yeah, it wasn't right. So went to this Friesenberg house, and yeah, read a sign. So yeah, the Olpererhütte, it's this way 2 hours, and yeah, now I have to walk all this vertical meter up. I hate myself. Yeah, obviously over there was a way. 3 dudes which I met in the Tuxer house before, they said, yeah, there was a way. So I said, cool. I went all the way up. So yeah. And again, if you don't have it here, then you better have it here. Yeah. So I have to go over there. That's Olpererhütte. Hopefully I can pay with credit card, because Rocky's starving. Sorry. I did it to the Olpererhütte, and actually that would be the end of the daily tour, but I go farther to Stein. But more importantly is that they accepted my credit card. Of course, rainfall. Nothing can stop me, even a waterfall. We have all these marks here on the stones. It's a little bit like the games, ground is lava. So, yeah. But instead of lava we have water. Dangerous. Mission Impossible or Mission Possible? Now I'm in Austria, and now in Italy. And now I am in Austria again, and Italy. Austria, Italy. Wiener Schnitzel. Pizza. Bier. Vino. Entschuldigung. Scusi. Over there, this guy. 2 dudes on the top, Tuxer Joch, said, hey, buddy, do you need a ride to Stein? He said, sure, why not? Because it's raining, and why should I, go all the way down in this fucking rain, and it's cool. They are minus, yeah, because they gave me that crystal, very nice. I don't know what it is, but really, I'm really thankful about that. And yeah, learned a lot about Tyrol, and yeah, but tell you that after. Why do I walk on a street in the middle of nowhere? Yep, the thing was in Stein. There's a hotel, but it costs more than 30 bucks, and with dinner I guess 40 bucks, and I have just 25. So she said, hey, well, in the next village there is an ATM. And said, oh cool. And that's the reason why I'm in the middle of nowhere on just one street in the rainfall. And yeah, but I got my money. Yeah, and now I'm on my way back, hopefully with dinner and really warm and comfortable bed.